Hi students, today we can start introduction of exercise 2.2 and all the questions from exercise 2.2. First, in this exercise we are going to study relations. What is relation? We can see first a relation R. Relation we will represent by capital letter R. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Cartesian product already was studied, isn't it? Then if we consider two set A, you're saying 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. This is set B. There are also some elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Two set. And then this A and B have some relation. Okay. In case the relation is 2x, y equal to 2x. One equation they are given. This is relation. Okay. Then in here x means all the elements from set A, y means all the elements from set B. Then if you make a relation means first give in here 1, this 1, 2 into 1 you will get 2, isn't it? That means we can make one relation 1 and 2. And then in the place of x give an x number 2. Then 2 into 2 what you will get? 4, isn't it? 2 into 2 4. That means 4, 2 and 4. Again one more relation. And then 3 if you are giving here means 2 into 3 6. 3 and 6 also relation. We can make R equal to set 1 2, ordered pair only we will use, then 2 4, then 3 8. This is our relation. If you write Cartesian product of A and B, what you will get? Cartesian product. That is A cross B. What you will do? 1 into 1 2, 1 2, then 1 4, 1 6, then 1 8, then after 2 2, 2 4, then 2 6, 2 8. Like that we can make many Cartesian product in here, isn't it? Then relation, look, this 1 2 already is there, isn't it? Then 2 4 is there. Same like that 3 8 also we can find out. Then relation means subset of Cartesian product. We can see one more example. Set A means 2 elements, that is 2 3. Then set B means there are 3 elements, 8 12 16. 3 elements. And then they are given one relation x y such that x y equal to 4x. They are given one relation x y such that y equal to 4x. Then x belongs to A, y belongs to B. This is like one relation they are given. We can find out relation if you are using this diagram. This is A, this is B. And then relation is y equal to 4x. If you give in the place of x 2, what you will get? 4 into 2, 8. Isn't it? And then if you give in the place of x 3 means 4 into 3, 12. We can write that time a relation is set first 2 8. Then next 3 12. We got 2 ordered pair, that 2 are relation. Then this first element in here 2, in here 3, isn't it? That first element is known as a domain. Domain of this relation. Domain means one set, 2, 3. we will consider only first element, that is domain. Then next, range. Range means consider second element. What are the elements at second element? 8 and 12. Set 8 and 12. This is known as range of this relation. Domain means first elements 2, 3. Then range means second element. Then codomain. Codomain means set of the second set. All the second set is known as codomain. We can write 8, then 12, then 16 is codomain. Keep in mind, range and codomain, small difference is there. What is range means? In here 8 and 12, because with 8 and 12 some relation is there. We will consider only 8 and 12 in range. But when you write codomain, we will write all the elements from second set. That means this 16 no relation, but we have to write in the case of codomain. That's the difference. Then domain means first set 2, 3. Okay. Now we can start exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Let A equal to set 1 to 14, all the numbers. Define a relation R from A to A. R equal to set x, y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. This is our given condition. 3x minus y equal to 0, where x and y belongs to A. Write domain, codomain and range. First, you can write already given in here, that is A. A equal to set 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Then a relation also given. What is relation? Relation R equal to set x, y, 3x minus y equal to 0, where x, y belongs to A. This is condition. Then the same relation I am going to change, small difference. I am going to write a little different way. This 3x minus y we can write 3x equal to y. Possible? This y bring to right side. Minus y become plus y. 3x equal to y. Then where x, y belongs to A. Now R equal to, this is set builder form. We can write in the form of tabular form. First set, if you give in the place of x 1, take 1. Relation A to A. Keep in mind A to again A only. 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Relation A to A. That means if you take first this 1, then give in here 1. 3 into 1, you will get 3. This in here you will get 3. And then take next number 2. Give in here 2. 3 into 2, you will get what? 6 you will get, isn't it? 6. Then take next number 3. 3 into, in here give 3. 3 into 3, 9. Then take next number what is? That is 4, isn't it? 4. Give in here 3 into 4, 12. And then take next number 5. And 3 into 5, 15. Isn't it? But check it, 15. In second set, up to 14 only is there, 15 not there. Then can you write this like one relation? We cannot write, because up to 14 only is there. That's why we cannot write this ordered pair. Cut it there. Then 6, 7 we cannot use anything, because if you are using 6 means what you will get? 3 into 6, 18. 18 not there. Then if you use 7, 3 into 7, 21. 21 not there, isn't it? Then our relation only this one. Set ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 2. Then what is our question? We have to find out domain. A domain. Domain equal to set. What is domain? We will write all the first element of ordered pair. 1, In here, first element is 2. In here, 3. In here, 4. This is our domain. Then codomain. Codomain. What will be codomain? Second set all. What is second set? In here A, isn't it? You can write it. Codomain. Then again range we need. Range set. Range means second element of ordered pair. In here second elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. This is our range. Again listen. Domain means first element from ordered pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then codomain means second set. In here second set what? Our relation A cross A. Isn't it? Then A to A only. That means in here what is second set? A only. Then we can write all the elements as codomain. But range. Range from here. Second element of first pair, that is 3. In here second element which one? First pair, second pair 6, 9, 12. Only right? Second number from here. This domain and range we will find out from here. Then codomain we will find out the second set. Next question. Question number 2. Define a relation R on the set N. N means natural numbers. Natural numbers means all the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers is natural numbers. By R, one relation given, set ordered pair xy such that y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. Xy belongs to N depicts this relationship using a roster form. Write domain and range. In here one relation given. You can write that relation here. R equal to set x y such that y equal to x plus 5. Then x is a natural number less than 4. X, y belongs to N. This is a given relation. This is set builder form. We have to write in roster form. Right. A roster form. Roster form and tabular form is equal to names roster and tabular. Then R equal to set. We can take natural numbers. Look, x is a natural number less than 4, isn't it? First we can take 1. 1 is first natural number. If you give in the place of x, what you will get? 1 plus 5, you will get 6. Y value is 6. Then we can take 2. Given here 2. 2 plus 5, 7, isn't it? Y value will be 7. Then 3. Given here 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Can you take 4? We cannot take 4 because second condition is x is a natural number less than 4. Less than 4 means 1, 2 and 3. These 3 numbers only we can use, isn't it? Then 4, 5, 6 we cannot take. This is our roster form. Then second part, write domain and range. Domain equal to set. Write all first elements from ordered pair 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is our domain. Then what we need? A range. Set. Range means second element from ordered pair 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. This is our answer. Keep in mind roster form and tabular form is same. See question number 3. A set 1, 2, 3, 5 and B 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to set x, y such that the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. Write in roster form. Here, first we can write the relation. R equal to set x, y, then the difference between x and y is odd. Then x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Then A and B also we can write. A means set 1, 2, 3, 5 is A. B means set 4, 6, 9. As many things given in here. We can write in roster form given relation. R equal to set difference between x and y is odd number. That is our relation, isn't it? Then if you consider 1 and 4. Take it 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 you will get 3, isn't it? This 3 is odd number. That means that is our relation. We need odd number. When you find out difference between the two numbers, we need odd number. Then 4 minus 1 you will get 3. 3 is odd number. Then 1, 6. Find out difference. 6 minus 1, 5, isn't it? 5 is odd number. Then 1, 9. 1, 9 possible or not? We cannot do because 9 minus 1, what you will get? 9 minus 1, you will get 8. 8 is even number only. Even number means we cannot do because we need odd number. Then next 2, 4, not possible. 2, 6 also cannot. Then 2, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 is odd number. Then 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is odd number. Then 3, 6. Then 3, 9. We cannot do because 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 is even number only. Then 5, 4. 5 minus 4, you will get 1. 1 is odd number. 5, 6. 6 minus 5, you will get 1. Then 5, 9. 5, 9. We cannot do because 9 minus 5, 4. 4 is even number. This is our relation in our roster form. Now we can see question number 4. The figure shows a relationship between the set A, P and Q. Write this relation. In here one figure given. First set builder form. Second roster form. Then what is its domain and range. This is given relation in figure. We have to write in set builder form and roster form. Then after we have to write domain and range. This is our question. First we can see in set builder form. Set builder form. R equal to, R means a relation. Set, always we will write ordered pair x, y such that, can you find out any relation in here? This is x, this is y. Y equal to, we can write x minus 2. Check it, possible or not? Look, x is 5. 5 and 3. 5 minus 2, what you will get? 3, isn't it? Then next number, 6 and 4. Then 6 minus 2, you will get 4. Then 7 and 5. 7 minus 2, you will get 5. That means this is x. X minus 2, if you are doing means, you will get y. Y means second set. This is our relation where x equal to all the x we have to write, that is 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Then only we can make that relation. Then second, roster form, Roman number 2. Roster form R equal to, make it ordered pair, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. These are our roster form. Then domain and range. Domain means we will write all the first element from ordered pair. In here, what is first element? We can write this P, otherwise 5, 6, 7. Then range. Range equal to second element from ordered pair, 3, 4, 5. This one. Now we can see question number 5. Let A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by set A, B such that A, B belongs to A. B is divisible by A. Write in R in roster form. Write R in roster form. Find the domain of R. Find the range of R. First we can write in roster form. Roster form. R equal to set condition is B is divisible by A. That means we can take 1, only one set given, A to A only relation. Then 1, 1. This B means 1. 1 divided by this one. 1 divided by 1 possible, isn't it? Then next, again take 1, then 2. 1, 2. 2 divided by 1 possible. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. All the numbers divisible by 1. That is possible only. That means 2 divided by 1, 3 divided by 1, 4 divided by 1, 5 divided by 1. Then take 2. If you consider 2 divided by 3. Sorry, 3 divided by 2, not possible. Then 4 divided by 2 and 4. 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. Then 2, 6. 6 divided by 2. Okay. Then take 3. 3 and 6. 6 divided by 3. Next 2, 2. Then 3, 3. 3 divided by 3 possible. Then 4, 4. Then 6, 6. This is our roster form. Then after what we have to write? Find the domain. Domain. Domain means 1. This one no need to repeat. Then 2, 3, 4, 6. This is domain. Range. Range also same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 only, not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is our answer, the range and domain. Question number 6 is R equal to set x plus y such that x belongs to set 0 to 5. Write a domain and a range. I am not going to write all the question, only that relation and question I written. Remaining part you can check in your textbook, write from there. Then in here, what is our question? We have to find out domain and range. First we can write in a roster form. That is very easy to write domain and range. Or set take 0. 0, if you are giving here 0, 0 plus 5, 5 will get. Then Next number is 1. 1 if you are giving here 1 plus 5, 6. Then take next number 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Then take 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Then take 5. Even here 5 plus 5, 10. This is our given relation in roster form. Then domain. Domain means we will write all the first element, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is domain. Then arrange. Arrange means second element 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our domain and range. Question number 7 is write the relation R equal to set x, x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. We have to write this given set builder form as a roster form. Condition is x is a prime number less than 10. Which are the numbers are known as prime numbers? 2, then 3, 5, 7. Only we need less than 10. And then these are the numbers, prime numbers. Roster. R equal to set x, x cube. First take 2. 2 cube is 8. Then take next number 3. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 27. Then 5. 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 125. From here only cube. Then 7. 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7. 49. 49 into 7. 343. This is our set in, this is our relation in roster. Question number 8. Let A equal to set x, y, z, B equal to set 1, 2. Find number of relation from A to B. How many relation we can make from A to B? Then we will use one formula, number of relation A to B equal to 2 raised to P into Q. In here P means number of elements in A, Q means number of elements in B. 2 raised to P means we can write 1, 2, 3. 3 into Q means 1, 2. 2 raised to 3 into 2, 6. This many relation we can make using by this A and B. Check it. Meaning this is A. X, Y, Z. This is B. 1, 2. We can make this like one relation. 2. 1, 2. Then from here. Then from here. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to this 2. This is one formula. Number of relation is 2 raised to P into Q. Study by heart. You can do that.